Hey, Eric Sutter here, and in this video I'm going to be doing some very late season or very early season planting of these cabbage plants. They just didn't really get going fast enough, and they need to get planted somewhere. So what actually happened last year is I planted too late, and the cabbage just kind of sat in suspended animation through the winter because the days were too short to really do much, and then just took off the new year. So they're pretty hardy. Unless it's like a serious freeze, they usually recover pretty well. So that's what we're going to do. I got the compost down from the first round of the Urban Chicken Tractor on steroids. If you haven't seen that yet, you want to know how to get some amazing compost and feed your chickens, definitely check that out. And these pots, still trialing. These are from a company, Root Maker. Dr. Carl Whitcomb out of Oklahoma is the mastermind behind these. Really, they're more for growing trees, but they do also work for vegetables. And they basically train the roots to go out the little holes, and then once they hit the air, they prune themselves off and send out new roots. So the basic idea is you don't get root-bound plants or trees, and they get a really robust root system that should hit the ground running. So still checking these out, but as you can see, they come out. All right, and so for the cabbage, I'm going to be doing 18 inches on center, and I got my trusty power planter auger just to make things move a little faster. All right, let's get into it. All right, there we go. Got 16 cabbage plants, not too bad. And the perennial cabbage still going from last year. So I just cut everything off at the base, and it's all resprouted, and it's mostly just really leathery leaves, but there actually are a couple that are forming little mini cabbages. So that's it's always good when you can perennialize annual veggies, so keep an eye on that. Got some tasty chicken food, and some fat grubs came out of the ground, so good to go there. I'll top dress this with some chopped straw, water it in, and Bob's your uncle. All right, as always, the bomb permaculture shirts are in the shop. Link will be below, as well as a link if you're needing permaculture design or consultation. I can do online and in person. So let's get those properties of abundance rocking and rolling, or safety nets for whatever crash is coming. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time.